Welcome to day 8 of a movement a day Qigong. And today we're going to purge trauma. Shaking. Shaking is a fabulous way to get rid of stored emotional energy. And we're just shaking our body. I'm actually coming off my heels a little bit and banging my heels as well, which is really good for bone density. So this is a double whammy for the body. So yeah, we're just shaking. And today we're going to add the healing sounds. And I could talk an hour about the healing sounds, but we're just going to do them. We're going to do 2 sounds, 1 sound per breath, and 2 of each of the 6 healing sounds. So 2 reps. And let's just do, you start with an inhale, a first healing sound. Second. Three. Let the head go too. And then just slow it down. Each of those healing sounds targets a specific emotion and organ system. Just notice how your body's feeling. Take a moment to feel the freshness of your body after purging all those different emotional energies. Leave me a comment. Want to know how you're doing. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 9. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did beautifully. I'll see you tomorrow.